How to change text to any other language in Black Myth Wukong. Let's get started. I'm going to show you a quick fix for those of you who might have started Black Myth Wukong and found the text in Chinese or other language. If you're trying to change the text to English or preferred language, this video is for you. Launch your game, you will land to this kind of page. Once we're at the title screen, all you need to do is press any button on your controller or keyboard. This will take you into the game, where you can either continue your journey or start a new one. Once you are in the game and have control, simply pause the game. With the game paused, move to the far right option, which is your settings. Scroll down until you see the exit option. Click on it, and this will take you back to the title screen. From here, press X to bring up the menu, and then scroll down to the second to the last option, which is your settings. Once you're in the settings menu, look for a chat box icon. This is where you will change the language. Click on it and then select the first option that appears. This will open a drop-down menu where you can choose your preferred language. For me, it's English, so I'll go ahead and select that. And just like that, all the game text will now be in English. And there you have it. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, especially if your game started in a language you weren't expecting. If it did, leave a like and let me know in the comments if you have any other related questions about the game. Thanks for watching.